Hi, I'm Taylor from Fluke, and here at Accelerate we are at table 2, where we have tools by both Technic, Azima DLI, and we're highlighting the Azima DLI Watchman services into eMaint condition monitoring. On the far right side of our table, you'll see the VibeExpert Compact. It's one of the legacy tools from Technic that is integrated into the Azima DLI platform, allowing for in-depth data acquisition on your most complex equipment. Next, we have the Trio. The Trio is the route-based data collector from Azima DLI, a versatile tool that allows technicians to go out and get actionable results based upon route-based data collection. Here we have the wireless sensor, the Watchman Air, the Excel 310 from Azima DLI. It is a versatile tool that goes on your balance of plant type equipment. It can go on many types of equipment throughout your facility, allowing for 24/7 coverage of all of your machinery. The VibeExpert 3 by Technic is the industry's only 6-channel data collector. It can collect data simultaneously from 2 triaxial accelerometers or 6 single-axis accelerometers, as well as 2 channels for tachometers. It has onboard capabilities for both route, off-route, run-up, coast-down, natural frequency testing, as well as balancing. The VibeExpert 2 and the Vibe Scanner 2 are legacy tools from Technic that are still a viable option for clients who require a wholly on-premises solution. These tools are customizable, configurable to make sure that they are the tool that our client needs, whether it be a simplified data collector or a more complex tool with tools like run-up, coast-down, balance, natural frequency testing. The Azima DLI solution is now being integrated into eMaint condition monitoring. eMaint condition monitoring is going to be the next step in your condition monitoring solution, allowing for a true connected reliability experience.